Hi guys, I was gifted this plastic dog fence from the seller so then I can show you everything about it. Now this is going to work great because it's starting to get cold here. I'll be able to set up this plastic dog fence in my house so my dog doesn't have to stay out in the cold. I'll show you how we install it and how it operates. Okay, so this is how it comes packaged. You have your instructions right here. And let's go ahead and take them out of the box. So these are your plastic panels. So these are all your plastic panels here. So I'm just going to go ahead and read the instructions and put it together, and you can watch me put it together. He likes his blanket here. Let's see how he goes in. Well, he's trying to figure it out. What is this thing all about? Go in there, buddy. There he goes. We can go ahead and latch him in. He's got a little latch right here. He's like, that's my blanket. I'm going to chill out here. So this is going to work great with it being suction cupped to the bottom. It's not going to move around too much. You can play with the dog. We set out his blanket here so he can get comfy. There you go, buddy. You got some more room now.
You're just recording?
Hello, sweet boy. Hello, sweet boy. Yes. Yes. It's so nice in there. Look, Dad's got your blankie. Yeah, Dad's got your blankie. Can you lay down? Can you lay down? Good boy. Nope, lay down. Sit down. Sit. Sit. Good boy. There's a good boy. There's a good boy that sits down. It's a good boy. Yes. Yes.
And as you can see, this pet playpen was extremely easy to install. It took maybe 5 to 10 minutes maximum. No tools were required. I like the suction cups that it has on the base, so then you can stick it to your hardwood floor. It's not going to move around if your animal decides to jump on the side. You can tell my little 11-pound miniature schnauzer loves it in here, so this gives him a little bit more room where he can play inside but still be contained, you know, in the winter time. You can put a puppy pad in here if you need it, if you're going to leave them for a few hours. So if you guys are in the market for an indoor dog fence like this, go ahead and get this one. Thanks.